There's something magical about watching the moon from up here where the world feels quiet and endless. Tonight it glows, steady and bright, but tomorrow night it will transform. A total lunar eclipse, the blood moon, a celestial moment rare and powerful when the earth, the sun, and the moon align in perfect harmony. It's a reminder that change is beautiful, that even in darkness there is wonder, that transformation isn't something to fear, but something to embrace. The universe moves with purpose, and so do we. No matter where we are, no matter how far we travel, there is always something extraordinary waiting just beyond the horizon. Tomorrow night, the moon will turn red, and we will be watching.